Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to have a plan with me for the month layout for September. I'm going to be using a printable from Bling Bling Planner on Etsy. I think these are like $2 to print and cut on your own if you do have a machine to do so. It's a very great affordable way to, like, you know, have your stickers for the week and for the month. If you do printables, it's a lot cheaper. It's compared to like $2, $3, $5 compared to like 12 or whatsoever. And then I'm also going to be using, since the kit is purple, right, and September is purple, I kind of want to use purple colors. So I'm going to pull out this Arteza 0.7 and maybe a blue. I want to try out colors, okay? I've had these pens and I've been so scared to use color in my planner for the fear of like not liking my spreads, because all I do is write in black. But I do have my Erin Condren gel pen here on the side just in case I kind of like kind of don't like having color. But anywho, let me go ahead and up to September. I did not do a plan with me for the last week of the month or beginning week of the month. So this week I didn't do a plan with me just because I had nothing to really plan for. Well, I did, time flew past me and I just couldn't get to it anymore. So I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the setup of September like that. It's still a video for you guys to see, and I'm not behind on planning. This is actually pretty ahead because we're still in August. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this big piece of washi. I thought it was 2 pieces, but it's 1. And then let me see if I can, oh, it's on Sunday. Wait, Sunday? Wait, I don't want to cover. Whoa, what's going on? It's gonna cover all the days of 104, and it says it's for September, so I'm not sure if there was a mistake or not. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna chop this part off and I'll be right back. Okay, so I chopped it off. Maybe I got like one that was for 2018 instead of 2019, but anywho, we're gonna go ahead and lay this down. And I'm gonna use like the little patterns to help me lay this down. Ooh, it might be a little too high. Yeah, so yeah, I'm guessing this was for last year on the last year's planners, and so good thing is I can always fix that. But let me just keep going so I can have the other part of it. My fault for not checking, but it's all right. Everything works out at the end either way. So being extra careful. I might have done it crooked, but anyway, it looks pretty. Look at that. It's so cute. I wish I could like tone down these lights because like I'm kind of blind as well. So I can't really see how overblown it is, but that's how it's looking like. I just got to cut the back part on it. But anywho, that's fine. So now let me build my sidebar, because I feel like I can never build my sidebar nicely enough. So I'm going to go ahead and grab, do I want to grab purple? No, let's grab the gray. We're going to go down the way it is. So I'm going to go ahead and grab it like this. Hopefully I can stay straight and then my sidebar comes out straight, because I can never have a straight sidebar because clearly I'm made crooked for all I know. Beautiful. Oh, I'm loving the colors. You guys, I'm like so excited for like fall and winter. Like, I'm not a summer girl. I don't care for summer. Like, I want to be cold, because I don't know, to me, if you're cold, you can like put on layers and then you can like, look cute with your scarves and whatnot and all the like darker colors. And when you're in the summers, like, you can't take all of your clothes off, you gotta work with that shit. And I'm just like, I don't want to be melting. I don't want to be hot. I just want to be like normal. But anywho, let me see if I can put this long sticker down here now, since I don't know if it'll work out though. Whatever. So we're gonna try it, because these are not part of the month. Like, these days are not part of the month. I'm gonna have to make it work. And then I can just white out this bottom part, because honestly I don't care. Like, go away. No one needs to know that you're not part of the month. Beautiful, right? For all I care. So there we go. And then all I would have to do is block these two right here, and I can use this one. This one's pretty. I can block you. And then I can block that one with, do I want a book? Yeah, it'll go with it. A book. Let's do a book. Use this little book one. So wait, are we on the 31st? No, what I'm talking about. Tomorrow is the 1st. Today we're on the 31st of August. So, yay, that kind of worked out pretty good for me. I'm pretty happy. Yay, okay. Anywho, now all I want to do is put my doctor's appointments. I have a lot of doctor's appointments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 doctor's appointments and probably 6 right down here. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to mark down 4. 4 are going to be my main doctor appointments, and I'm going to use, I'm going to use this like cute little purple one, and I'm going to put Dr. Harrison. Actually, this one's like more of a pink. Harrison at 7 a.m. He's my hand specialist, and I get to see him every 6 weeks for my carpal tunnel pain, which had flared up really bad last week. Oh, I can't. But now that it's the weekend, it's kind of like not flared up. So I'm just like, really? Like, really? And then on the 10th, I have Dr. Alavi. Ooh, I love this one. Dr. Alavi. And he's at 2:30, I believe. Oh my god, I love the Arteza pens. They're so bold. And if you're interested, I do have a link for them. These are their gel pens, and I will have one of their newer markers coming in pretty soon, so I can show you guys. And I believe I also have like a meal planning system from them. Oh, I'm so excited to show you guys. But I have it. I just haven't unboxed it or anything. So let me know if you want an unboxing or you just want me to show you the things without unboxing, because I'm pretty weird like that. Anywho, then I have acupuncture, acupuncture, and acupuncture. So let me see if I have enough. I don't have enough of these little thingies. And the second page from the bling bling printout does not print properly on my computer, on my Silhouette. I don't know why. Only this page prints out cuts beautifully, but when the second page rolls around, it does not want to cut it. And none of the cut lines are wrong, nothing. It's just my Silhouette does not want to cut the second page, so I don't have the other boxes and flags to go with this. Otherwise, it would have been so cute. Anywho, I have acupuncture, and they're always at 12:30. And I have them every Thursday. I don't have them on Tuesday because I have doctor's specialists on Tuesdays, but for some strange reason, Dr. Harrison is on a Thursday, so I was like, whatever. I'm gonna put you right here. Super cute. And then I know I have doctor's appointments there, so I'm not even gonna worry about it. Anywho, the 23rd, autumn begins. I think I'm just gonna put like these pumpkin spice lattes there, just so I know it's there. Cause whatever's, it's super cute, and I don't drink pumpkin spice lattes, but you know, autumn begins there. Okay, so for this week, let me actually put some payday stickers like that. You know, it'll actually look pretty and it'll match some of my stuff. So let me grab my sticker book. I still haven't fully filled it up. I haven't done it yet, but I will. And I get paid twice this month, I believe. So I grab one paycheck and then 2. Come on, pull up. So let me get paid on the 13th. And then we get paid on the 27th. And then let me use these little like thingies to mark that I have Dr. Harrison and Dr. Alavi. I have Dr. Alavi on the 24th as well. I should mark that. Ice cream truck. Right now I have like 0 cash on me. Otherwise, you know, I'd be back there like calling for him, be like, hello, give me my ice cream. But no, I don't have any cash. I'm waiting for my cash stuffing to begin. I didn't go to the bank. I gotta go to the bank and do that tomorrow and whatnot, but whatever's. Or I'm gonna go today, like when I pick up Bae from work and whatnot, but I just wanna not spend anymore because I don't want to like swipe my card, because then I have to like recalculate how much I need to like take out, and I'm just like, I ain't got time for that. Like, I just don't got time for that. So let me go ahead and put Dr. Alavi. I'll put him on the bottom. Okay, I'll put him on the bottom. And that's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. And then let me put another like one of those doctor little thingies. I couldn't find the person who sold these, so if you know of a shop that sells stethoscopes and they're like this size and like this kind of way, let me know, because I would love to order them because I need some new ones. And other than that, I don't have anything special going on this week, like this month. Like, I just have doctor's appointments and that's it. I don't have birthdays. I mean, it's Grandparents' Day and Labor Day weekend, but I really don't do anything. Like tomorrow, I think, you know what? I'm going to put it down. I'm going to put like a full box. And we're going to put that me and Bae are going to go to Fridays. Hopefully, we're going to have happy hour. Like, get my ass drunk for once with $5 margaritas, I think, or $6 margaritas. I don't care. Let me have them all. So let me do, I want to do this one in black. I don't know why. I feel like there's like, I don't want to put pink and then purple, but I don't want to put purple, and pink. I'm just going to do it this. I'm going to put TGIF with Bae. So if you're wondering what I'm doing on Sunday, I'm getting fucked up. Drinks, honey. I was going to, buy a bottle of tequila, but you know what? As much as I want to save, sometimes I just want to go out. So that is actually going to come out from my Treat Yourself fund, which I'm super excited because we are not going to go on Disneyland on the 22nd. I'm really sad about that. So my sister is going to go with her husband and their kids. They're going to make like a full weekend of it. And my sad little ass is going to stay home and just think about villains at nighttime with Disneyland. But hopefully, I want to so bad get like my Disney pass, and I'd be one of those people who's gonna go by themselves and vlog myself by myself and have the best time of my life because I love Disneyland and I don't care if no one else does in my family or Bae. So yeah. Anywho, that was it. That was all my September layout. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry if it's so overblown, but I need to figure out these lights because I'm filming later in the day. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next. Bye.